Hello, my name is Rocky Garrison, and I'm going to introduce you to the activities for this 5.5-hour continuing education course on lifestyle. The cost of this course is $82.50 in Canadian dollars. Over the years, Adler used a variety of terms to refer to the topic of this course, but settled on lifestyle towards the end of his career. There are 5 components in this training course: 4 articles, seen here in white, and 1 video, seen in black. I'm going to introduce them to you one by one, and then give you instructions on how to complete the quiz for each component. You may want to start by downloading the file labeled All Quizzes, so you can answer the questions as you read along the articles and watch the video. Then you will complete the quiz for each component. The first component is a classic article from Volume 7 of the Collected Clinical Works of Alfred Adler that was originally published in the German version of the International Journal of Individual Psychology in 1933. Adler emphasizes the concepts of activity level and social interest for understanding a person. You will be able to view and download this article by clicking on a button in the course page. The second component is an article by Heinz Ansbacher that provides some historical perspective on the concept of lifestyle. He traces Adler's use of a variety of terms while emphasizing the similarity amongst all of the different phrases. He also identifies some of the sources Adler was drawing on as his conceptualization of lifestyle evolved. You will be able to view and download this article by clicking on a button on the course page. The next component is a video of Rich Kopp applying systems theory to the concept of lifestyle. He presents 8 basic concepts of systems theory and demonstrates their applicability to the concept of lifestyle in individual psychology and to psychotherapy practice in general. He concludes that the individual psychology view of personality is a morphostatic system, that is, a feedback-oriented system that includes enduring patterns. You will be able to watch the video by clicking on a link on the course page, but you won't be able to download it. The next component is an article by Bernard Schulman from his book of collected works. I think this is the most detailed elaboration of the concept of lifestyle coming out of the Chicago groups, Dreikurs, Schulman, Mozak, Powers, and many others. You will be able to view and download this article by clicking on a button on the course page. The last component of this course is a recent article by Len Sperry. He presents a distinct type of Adlerian therapy that he calls a pattern-focused approach, as well as an elaborate format for case conceptualization. I think his view of personality resonates well with Kopp's morphostatic system. What do you think? You will have to locate a copy of this article. We cannot distribute it due to copyright issues. There is a quiz for each of the 5 components of this course. You can see the questions for all of the quizzes by downloading the All Quizzes document. That way, you can answer the questions while you are reading and watching. You complete the quiz for each component by clicking on the button that has a circle and a check and looks like this. Once you complete all 5 quizzes, you will receive a certificate of completion for this course via email.